Started raining the second we got out here. Saw it on the windshield, but nothing new. We're in Portland. Welcome to the video today, guys. My name is Deontay. Today's video is pretty much part one of a series that I want to do called Complete Details, and it's not like any of you guys have never seen a complete detail, but it's obviously a service that I offer, and I do interior, exterior, and then a light paint correction, and it just leaves the car looking almost new again. Only difference with my videos and other videos of detailing you guys have seen, I like to call this the millennial style of filming. I'm gonna make this super fast paced. Make sure you guys see every step, but make it extra fast and not waste your time, and make it enjoyable for you guys. So stick around to the end. Make sure you guys drop a like. If you're new here, make sure you guys subscribe. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna call it yet, but full detail series coming right up. Enjoy the whole thing from start to finish. Later. that door. Just like that, another happy customer. We actually did this one for free as a little partnership. He's doing a lot of racing this summer. We're gonna get some banners and stuff ready for his car, and hopefully I get some work off of it. But look guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you smash that like button. I hope I was able to capture every single step of the way and you guys like this style. Look forward to more coming very soon. Reshare to your friends, and this is Premium Lifestyle Detailing. My name is Deontay. We'll see you guys in the next one.